wash your hands before and after cooking. Step 2. Cover the chicken with plastic. Wrap and then pound until about a quarter thickness. Step 3. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Step 4. Coat the chicken with flour. Deep them into the egg, then press into the breadcrumbs. Be sure to cover everything with crumbs. Step 5. Slice the cabbage in half and remove the root and then cut it into shred cut. Oil in a pan. Step 7. Place the chicken in hot cooking oil and fry each side for about 2 minutes or until golden brown. Wait until golden brown. Using tongs, place the fried chicken Katsu on a big plate. Meanwhile, for making the sauce, first put a half cup of ketchup. Second, using measuring spoon, put a 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Next, put a 2 tablespoons of sugar. Last, put 1 teaspoon of Knorr liquid seasoning. Mix well until sugar dissolves. Step 8. Cut the chicken into 1 2-inch pieces. Step 9. Range the chicken and give it a little space after that. Put a shredded cabbage salad. And for the last step, put sauce on top of the chicken katsu. And ready to